Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a new screen protector for your iPhone 17 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Ksleri screen protector. It is a matte screen protector that I finally decided to pick up, and I got it from Amazon. I used this brand on the S25 Ultra and I really loved it, so I'm glad they made one for the 17 Pro. I'm going to try to install this on camera and see how we actually do. We'll see how good it looks, how less fingerprints you get and the glare off of this screen protector. But nice presentation. It says 9H screen protector there. Ultra clear. It comes with 3 packs though. It comes with 3 separate screen protectors. So if you break them, you don't know how to install it. Tells you how to remove it. Then you get some wipes and stuff. So bam. Let's open this bad boy up. So yeah, you get 3 stickers, 3 alcohol pads, a squeegee, 3 separate microfiber. It says warming tips. There might be bubbles. You know, just the normal stuff you get in the box. But I really did like their screen protector on the S25 Ultra, so let's see. We're going to try to do this on camera. I already have the phone off, so again, that's the first step. Second step is wiping this bad boy down. Getting all your oily fingers off of it. Getting any dust things off of it too. Then you take a microfiber cloth here. I always like using a big dust remover. But again, if you can do this at nighttime, and especially somewhere where it's not dusty, that's probably the best bet. That way, you don't have to put a case on it, and you can just let it set up. Again, you might have little bubbles on there, but they go away usually within 24 hours. And with these matte screen protectors, you get to see less fingerprints and stuff. So this is the top. Tells you to pull straight like this. Then you just want to put the top on the top there. Kind of tells you what to do. Press and hold. Just make sure it's all in there. You can even let it sit there for a minute. Just let it sit there for a second. Once you let it sit, you might have some bubbles, but then you kind of just want to lift up. And then what you do is just take your little squeegee here, get out the bubbles. Sometimes you can go in back with the wipe. I like doing that too. And then bam. Oh, yes. Yes, this is what I was looking for. Look. And then when you turn it back on, I'm going to show y'all. Look, it goes all the way to the edge. All the way to the edge there. And it doesn't really take away from the color of your display either. So, doesn't take away the color, but look at it's just matte, man. I love that. I think and then the Face ID too, even though you cover that up, it still works. And the touch sensitivity is good. Yes, I'm going to be rocking this one. If y'all want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 17 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.